Hello, everyone. This is Lucian Willock. So this is going to be a quick video on how to use the bar replay or the back trading function in TradingView. Pretty simple process. There's a couple of different ways you can access uh, the bar replay. You can click this button on the top toolbar to the right of TradingView screen. It's marked bar replay. Once you click that, you'll get this blue line. You can put this anywhere you want to put it for back trading. Keep in mind, any intraday charts, you will be limited to 90 days of back trading, 90 days worth of candles. That's due to the amount of data that it takes to store on the server. Another thing to keep in mind, if you switch from regular trading hours to adjust to pre-market and post-market trading hours, extended trading hours, then the chart will reset itself and go back to the current date. So you would have to reset your bar play if you switch from extended to regular. Also, if you go back more than 90 days and you try to switch to an intraday chart, then it is going to kick you back to the most recent time frame in the market. So you can click this blue line, which will take off everything after the blue line. So you can see here, we're now at Thursday, July 27th. I'm going to close that out and show you the other method you can use. You can hit this bar replay again. You can come down here and pick your calendar, and then you could just pick a day that you want to go back to. We'll just, what is this, August 11th. So it should, so see, it shows us Friday, August 11th. You've got it highlighted right here, so you can go back, click on that, and then you know you are on Friday, August 11th. Now it's showing Thursday, August 10th, and the reason it is because once I click that candle, it's going to show me the data for the 11th. So from here, I can click on an intraday chart. So I'm just going to go to a 3-minute, very typical chart that I use frequently. And as you can see, we've got Friday, August 11th. This is the last pre-market candle. If I click forward, I now have the first open market candle. You can bring out candles manually by clicking this button. You can have it do it automatically by clicking that button. You want to stop it, you can just pause it. This is to change the speed that the candles come out when you're using the auto function. If you come out a little too quick, let's say you wanted to see if this double bottom was going to form up, or you wanted to put a trade on here once this breaks, you can pick the jump to button. You can go back and reset that, and then start moving forward again. And then that's where that next candle comes out. You can set your trade up from there. So if you scan too fast, you can readjust that. All right, those are the basics. One other thing I will show you is I think they've made a change to this recently. I don't remember this being on here. The buy and sell feature was on here. That allows you to actually buy and sell or paper trade actual trade rather than just see if it works on the chart. You can actually track a P&L. But the nice thing about this is this one in the middle. This is for a share count. So it used to just be one share and you couldn't really do anything with it. So it didn't really help except for maybe a win-loss type of situation. But now you can go in and actually put in actual share counts. So if you use the profit and loss tool and it says you need 40 shares, you can actually put 40 shares in here. And then you can actually run that trade the way you would any other trade. And it will actually track a P&L because it's going to take that 40. It's going to take the profit, the cost of the shares. It's going to track once you enter and exit. Now it won't do that automatically. So, you'll have to say, I want to sell short. And then when it gets down to your target, you're going to have to say, I want to buy, and it's going to close out that trade. It's going to flatten that trade, and it will track it through a paper P&L. Once you want to come out of the back trading mode, you just click this X. It's going to ask if you're sure you want to do that. Click yes, and it takes you right back to the current trading day. I hope this is helpful and have a great day. Thanks.